Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Roblox. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to the settings or our profile so we can start changing our profile username. So either you can click on the profile and you can just go here and edit profile. You click on this icon and basically make sure that you have already Roblox or the Roblox coins and you click here. You need just to click on buy and you will be able to change your username, or you can just come from here and click on the profile and you will have the same. If you go here on the 3 points icon, go to the profile and you will have the same place or the same menu. Otherwise, you can just like change it from the settings by clicking on settings, account info, and then we need just to go to the account info, and here you will find username. You click here and you must provide and verify your email so you can change your username, and you click on add email and verify your email and you will be able to change your username. And let's go see how to do it on the web, and basically it will be the same steps as for the desktop app. You just go to your settings or profile and you will be able to change your username. So we go to settings and we go to account info. Here we will find our username. We click on change, and of course you need just to verify your address email. So as you can see, it is as easy as it is shown to change your username. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.